In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted email on Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'll wish to go ahead and delete any of my emails here and show you how we can recover it. To do this, I'll click on this delete icon on this email, and then the email has been deleted. So I'll delete furthermore. I've deleted 2 and 3 here. So I've deleted in total 3 emails and I wish to recover them. So if you have deleted your email by mistake in Gmail and you wish to recover it, just go over to this more option on your personal computer and you should see we have trash. Now if you go to trash, here you'll find all the emails that you have deleted. Now you have to note that messages that have been in trash for more than 30 days will automatically be deleted, and this deletion will be permanent because the trash will be emptied. As you can see, my previously deleted messages are no longer here because they were over a month. So any email that you wish to recover, it must have been deleted in less than 30 days. Now to recover any of these emails, go ahead and just check on any of the email that you wish. For instance, I wish to go ahead and recover this or restore this. I'll go ahead and check on this icon or this box next to it. You can check all of them if you so wish. And you realize that the moment you clicked on check, we have this extra bar that was added. If you hover over this, you see we have an option to move to, and if you click on it, we have an option to move to inbox. So if I click on it now, you can see the action is complete. If I go back to my inbox, now we can see the 2 emails are here. I also have the other that was unread. I wish to also recover it. For that, I'll also go back to trash and then check on it and go ahead and choose move to and then inbox. And here, if I go back to my inbox, now you can see the restored or the recovered email that was deleted is here. So that's how you can restore your deleted emails in Gmail. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.